Okay, and here we go. Did a quick spray off on the outside to get all the dust off. I'm going to take this apart. It comes apart in multiple sections. There's kind of a suction there, so you break that. Sometimes I take it completely apart, and sometimes, meaning cleaning out the motor fans, and sometimes I just do the absolute filters. Always lay it down in order so I can remember. Actually, it has a nifty little handle here. The way to put it back in properly, so I don't have to figure it out. Very yucky substance. Very nasty, yucky stuff. But anyway, they will appreciate, and as you can see, this dirty, yucky water coming out. All right. This all comes apart in multiple sections, as you see. And has to be cleaned out. It's kind of gross, but necessary. Yeah, that's all the yuck stuff. But when we put it back in, I'll change half the water, and then we'll be good to go with nice, clear, clean water. Stay tuned for the next exciting episode of my now clean turtle tank.